Hi, uh, this team is composed by 4 students and a professor from Universidade Federal de Minas Gerais at Brazil. All the analyses we are going to present were conducted using a tool developed by the students using Microsoft SQL Server to process the data and the processing language to build interactive visualizations. The projected tool is a dashboard that allows users to try 4 different visual representations. So we have the existence representation, we have the percentual representation, we have the traditional bar graph, and the traditional line graphs. I would like to call your attention for the difference between the existence graph and the percentual graph. While the first one shows the binary existence or lack of specific policy status or activity flag in the regions, the percentual graphs give us the opportunity to compare the number of occurrences in a more precise way using bar graphs. Well, as you can see here, we decided to work in the level of regions or business units. This is the finest grain analysis that we can do using our dashboard. And this decision was necessary because the data set is huge, multivariate, time-dependent and complex, and we have to deal with many policy and activity options and many different parameters to vary. Okay, so let's give an example of the use of the tool. In the mini challenge 1, we were asked to give a general idea of what was happening in the network at 2 p.m. on February 2. So here we selected the 3 more critical policy status and activity flags. And we can see here that almost every machine presents a CPU fully used or external device added. So we don't think it must be a problem as we are in business time here. So we focus now on the policy status 3 to 5. We don't have many viruses spread here, but at 2 p.m. we can see that we have almost every machine presenting serious policy deviations and no critical patches failing. And some of them are already presenting critical policy deviations and many patches failing. So what we see later here in the night is that we have some virus infections occurring here. And if we look at the second day, we can see that a virus infection has already spread, and it is here also present in the February 4. So here we can see that after 2 p.m. We can see a virus infection taking place.